quick and easy for lunch. And I thought the orange salmon will be awesome. I just got a couple of salmon steaks. You can use steaks or fillets. And the difference is the steaks has bones, they're more flavorful, and also a little bit more fatty. First we're going to add a little bit of herb. So we just put a little bit of oil, then we add fresh peanuts. And you need to put it on low, so let it roast slowly. Once in a while you stir it, so you want to cook all over, all sides. If you turn up heat too much, they will burn outside very quickly. The inside is not cooked through yet. So when they cook through, that's when the peanuts getting very crunchy and crispy. See, these already turned color. It's a really dark red. So these are done. And you can also smell, like I said, you smell the fragrance of fresh peanuts. I'm gonna put on top of my tiger salad. So this is cucumber, cilantro, green onions, red onions, and some, if you like spicy, you can put some peppers. I use my pot sticker sauce. This is perfect. All you need, that's a pot sticker sauce, and a little bit of salt. So now I'm gonna add some crunchiness to this delicious salad. So the freshness of the cucumber, the vegetables, and with this crunchy, fresh roasted peanuts, it's just awesome. So we're gonna have our salmon and then refreshing salad on the side.
Find Ying's Kitchen sauces with recipes right on the bottle at many local grocery stores. Go to yingskitchen.com for locations and more recipes.